Okay, now let's see how to do the water injection and how to change the membrane. And you can see in this situation, that means the water is not enough and we need to inject some water. Firstly, you need to tear off this. And we're using the purified water. And you can see the water in this way. When the water falls from this hole, that means the water is full. And then we wipe off the water. Put on this. And press it. Okay, that's how to inject the water. And now let's see how to change the membrane. When you see this membrane has the scratch, scar, or configuration, you can change it. Firstly, we need to tear it off. Wipe the water. And we get the membrane. We can using some sharper like the knife to get the membrane without damaging it. Okay, when we put it on, we need to press it in this way, not in this way. This way is not correct. In this way. Remember, there has one protective membrane on this membrane. You need to tear it off, otherwise you cannot use it. Okay, now let's tear the protective membrane. If you cannot tear it off, you can also using some sharper like the knife. Remember to tear off this protective membrane, otherwise you cannot use it. Now you can using this machine. Firstly, you need to press this power button and the machine is on. This button used for adjusting the dips, and the red light equals the dips. Now it is 1.5 and we adjust it to 3. You can see the red light equals to 3 and we adjust it to 4.5. And it equals to 4.5. And we adjust the energy. The energy is from 1 to 9. We can start from 1 and adjust the energy according to customer's tolerance. And this one shot has 22 dots, and the 22 dots within 22 millimeter. And when we adjust the dips, the energy, put some gears. We can put some gears on the skin and press this button. Okay, when finished the 22 dots, the machine will off. And that's how to operate this machine. Okay, now let's see how to operate the hollow skin. Firstly, you need to clean your skin. When you make up, you need to using the makeup remove oil to remove your makeup. And then put some oil on the treatment area. And for the cheeks, we're using 4.5. When adjusting the dips and energy, you can start working. And firstly, you need to do it in the vertical way, from the mouth to the ear. And when one shot stops, you can move 1 millimeter to the other shot. And in this way, doing to the ear. And the next part is from the nose side. Also, after one shot, move 1 millimeter to the other shot. And also the same way up to the eye. And then we're using it in the horizon way, from the chin. Also move 1 millimeter. And the other shot the same, and up to the eye bone. Remember all the method using the lifting method. And also the same way up to the eyebrow. And then we change it to 3.0. And also doing it, repeat it. Firstly using the 4.5 and then using the 3.0, repeat horizontally and vertically And remember, each shot you can move 1 millimeter. And then when doing it horizontally, and during the procession, when you feel bad, you can adjust the energy. You can adjust the energy according to your tolerance. And then when doing the forehead, we suggest using the 3.0 to do the treatment of the forehead. If your surgical is too thin, you can do it with 1.5, and we suggest 3.0. And also, using the lifting method, from down to up, and the seam. And then we're doing it vertically. And move to. And the other hand the same. And when all the treatment area has finished, you can clean your treatment, and the two faces are the same.
이게 끝났다. 오시골이 아파요 여기? Okay.